Dave with the Shepherd School, and I'm out here on the range today with my CETME, doing a little bit of ammunition evaluation from some Lucky Gunner ammo. I've got some Seller and Ballot 308 match rounds, okay, but it really doesn't matter the ammunition. I want to talk about the function of the gun, particularly the manual of arms with a particular firearm. Okay, so I've got this CETME here. And, you know, same thing as a HEK G3. I'll show you a little something about how the thing operates. If I just pull the charging handle back, let it go forward like normal, I get on target. Got a little bit of a flinch there, but you see what I'm talking about? If we pull it back to the rear, make sure that you're operating the firearm as it was designed. So with a HK or a G3, you want to lock the bolt back, the charging handle back. Once you put your magazine in, you want to give it that HK slap to send it forward. That way you're priming everything so the gun fires properly. Okay, so